So this one, no, the BF over 2TF can be found in the table. Pwede ka kani, no? This is table 1-1. So for 16, W16 by 31, you have the BF 5.53 divided by 2 times 0.44. So the answer for that is 6.28. Then you have to compare also this equation, no? Can be found in the table. Yes. For the flange, you have to compare this one with the width to thickness ratio for the upper limit for compact category and the upper limit for the non-compact category. So, then get this value, then yes, compare. The answer for this one is 9.58, which is greater than 6.28. So meaning the flange is compact, no? And for the web, also compact. Kaya try to solve this one. No, the web is still compact because for h over tw, for h over tw, thickness. Now you know how to get this h over tw. For the web, the web is compact for all shapes in the manual for Fy less than or equal to 65 KSI. Since in the given, the steel is A992 steel, so meaning the Fy is 50 KSI. So if your yield strength is less than 65 or equal to 65 KSI, meaning the web is compact, automatically compact, no? This shape can also be identified as compact because there is no footnote in dimensions and properties tables to indicate otherwise. Because the beam is compact and laterally supported, the nominal frictional strength is, no, since beam is compact and laterally supported, meaning it will not fail before yielding. No, it will reach the plastic limit state. So meaning your nominal strength is equal to your plastic moment, no? Nominal moment is equal to your plastic moment, so that means Fy times the plastic section modulus. In the plastic section modulus is 54. This can be found in 16. Okay,